Why are you even eating?
Okay, so
we're gonna try to get rid of my hiccups. I don't know what to do.
drink upside down.
Like water?
Yeah, I guess.
Oh. How though? I don't get that.
Like, bend over. Drink.
Wait, let's start over again.
Ow.
Oh. Oh wait, you're like scary or something.
Oh yeah.
Hold on.
Or like go around the corner.
Like that? I feel like.
No, like you bend forward.
Oh. I can't.
Just do it. Put your like head all the way down.
Can't swallow though. I don't know how to swallow.
You're not a swallow.
Oh, like that.
Oh.
Oh.
These things are good.
Oh. Wait, how am I supposed to do that though? Because I can't even get the water in my mouth.
Put it in your mouth first. Yeah.
I can't do that because if I'm going underwater and getting water up my nose.
Yeah.
That's not funny.
Oh, so sound like mine. Oh no, they're gone. I mean my sticks or whatever.
Oh. Yeah.
You just scared the crap out of me.
No. Ooh.
Okay, we'll have to like wash our hands.
Do you know how to get rid of hiccups? Are you drunk? No.
Yeah, let's go.
Ooh, I just burped.
Burping is like
I
the
tried
best.
already. What?
Ow, that was fell. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. I don't know if soda would actually help.
Why?
Because
you burped though, isn't it?
like, wait, because don't you like, I don't know, it has something to do with like bubbles, you know? Cute. What was that?
Jacob was about to drink it. It was like,
Alright. Balcony scene. I don't know.
like 4 minutes so far. Oh wait, I gotta burp. That was good.
Ew, it's all wet.
Shut up. Oh. Ace. Get these fucking hiccups away. Stop.
Really? Ah! I feel like changing out of this too. It's like tight. I don't like tight.